Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm just going to ask this question quickly. Question. Alex Elliott Golf put, does anyone know how to link Zoom to YouTube? So to go live on YouTube while you're Zooming in a meeting. Quick answer. Free version can't do it. There is no option on a free meeting to share to Facebook or YouTube, right? So it's easy to do on the $15 version. I'll show you how to do it. But you're going to have to pay for the $15 version, right? So let's go Zoom pricing, right? So you can pay $15, $14.99 a month. So try it out, see how you get on. Right, there's probably workarounds that you may be able to do, but it's not going to be easy. But you're going to get other features like cloud recording and stuff like that on the $14.99 a month version. That's going to be better as well. So you know when you're doing a meeting and you want to save it and you want it to go to the cloud, because if you don't click stop meeting, stop recording at the end of the meeting, you can lose it. On the $15 version, it automatically, as you end meeting, saves it in the cloud. So that's good as well. But I'm going to show you how to do it, right? So I'm going to log out of my free version, log into the paid version. And this is same for webinar as well. Right, I'm in my paid version. I'm going to schedule a meeting. I'm going to walk you all the way through how to do it, and we'll get exactly what you need to do, right? So there will be bits you might want to skip through. I will itemize where each lesson starts so that you can skip through to a point. But someone's going to say, oh, you never said how to do this. So I'm going to show you exactly start to finish how to do it. But I will itemize in the description where each lesson starts, right? Right, so let's just schedule a meeting or host a meeting with video on. You're doing a one-on-one call. This is what we're going to do. Well, I suppose you're doing any meeting. We're going to open up. Everything wants updating today. What's happened in the world? Join your computer, join with your camera. You're on, right? Now you'll see. When you go here, there's more. Live on Facebook, live on YouTube, live custom stream. That is the option you're going to use to go live, right? I'm going to invite a participant to join in. So I'm going to go through it. I know you know how to do this bit, but someone, if I don't do this bit, will say, how do you invite someone? So I'm going to let somebody in because I'm going to show you how you probably want to do this with your YouTube feed, right? So we've sent the invite out. Right, this is a point you can now, before you even come into your meeting, you can set up your YouTube. I mean, you can do this before you even send the invite out, right? Go here, go live on YouTube, right? I'm going to tell you now this does not work for me. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to Paul Nichols Zoho meeting, Zoom meeting, whatever you want to call it, and make it public, right? Please grant necessary privileges for live stream. I don't know where to do that. I don't know how to do that, right? So here's what I do. And here's what you may need to do if you're getting that as well. Let me close a load of things here. So back to my Zoom meeting. YouTube. Go to your YouTube channel now, right? So I'll leave that pricing open. I might come back to it. Go to your YouTube channel, right? And go live here. Go live. Go live. Right? You can copy and create an old stream or go new stream, right? So go Zoom, meeting, YouTube live. Yeah? You're going to probably be public. I'm going to make mine unlisted just so the people won't join in and see it. I'll make it unlisted. Schedule for later if you want it to go later. Enable monetization, whatever you're going to do. Upload a thumbnail if you want to put a thumbnail on it. I'll just dump this one on it for now. Create stream, right? So the stream is ready and sat waiting for you. Now, this information here is what you're going to use. So when you go back to your Zoom, go back here and go here, live on custom live streaming service, right? So if your YouTube click there works, brilliant, go for it. Doesn't work for me. So here, enter streaming. Everyone who uses this link can watch the live broadcast. So here we go. Streaming URL. Go back here. Stream URL. Copy it. Drop it into streaming URL, right? Stream key. Now this is this hidden thing. Copy it. If you want to see it, you can. Copy it. Right? Put that in the second. Put that in the second bar, right? the URL, the stream is being set up. Here we go. Go here, look, share, copy this link here. This is where your video is going to be. So this is where the video lives, right? So we've copied the stream URL, we've copied the stream key, and we've copied here the embed, the where the YouTube video is going to be. And go live. You can go live there, don't worry. It's not going to make your YouTube channel live, right? Setting up meeting, redirecting, live stream. Waiting for Paul Nicholson to go live, right? So we have set it up and it's ready. You are not at this point live. Right, now we're going to get the meeting, the people to come in. See, it says live on custom stream. You're not live. Don't worry, you're not live. Person entering. Paul phone. Here we go. So I'm going to come in on my phone, right? So you're meeting the person you're meeting or the multiple people. Oh, that might interfere with my join with video. So now, here they come, right? Here we go. Oh. Call using internet audio, all right. Oh, shoot. Here we go, here we go. Shut up. All right, let me mute them. Let me mute this. So they're in, right? So that is... I need to turn sound off on my phone, otherwise you get feedback, right? So, gallery view, right? So here's the phone. This is the meeting participant has arrived. You have your chat, right? You have your chat. Are you ready? You're all ready to go live. Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Let's, I'm going to turn us on YouTube, and then I'm going to dive into the introduction, right? Yeah, that's fine. Great. See it, right? And you're going to record at the same time. If you want to keep it on your own device, record, right? It's going to say record to cloud or record to computer. So, you probably want to record this one first because you can cut it later on your own computer. So I'm going to record to cloud. I'm now recording my meeting. I'm going to go back to my YouTube here, and I'm going to go live, right? So this time it's going to show up. Where are we? Waiting, and when you see that go live, you know you're on, right? Come on. Pretty sure I don't have to refresh the page. Oh, there you go. Here we go. So now there's a little bit of a delay. Where are we? So now we are live, right? Waiting, and when you see that go live. So what I'll do is I'm going to hold up my hand now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now. 1, 2, 3. So you're looking at about a 15-second delay. Do your chat, do your live call, interact with people, let them know the 15 seconds behind. Not much you can do about that. Your other options to do a Zoom webinar and let people come in, but I would be wary of that as well. So hopefully that makes sense. Obviously, you probably know how to end your stream. You go back to your YouTube, end your stream, go back to your Zoom, stop your recording. Or say, you obviously before you end your stream, finish your recording. End your recording, saving it to the cloud. YouTube's live, saved. Thanks very much for being on my video. Thanks for being on the interview. Have your private chat. No, you're not live. Make sure you're not live. Just double check you're not live, right? Go back to your YouTube and make sure the live recording has ended. And end meeting. So it is quite easy, but you can't do it on the free version, right? So, any questions, any comments, come and, you're already here. Leave them in the comments. I will help you out as best I can. So for me, like I said, the free version doesn't work. Sorry, the free version, there isn't an option to live to YouTube. $14.99 a month is what you're going to have to pay. If the automated version of YouTube Live doesn't work, use the custom option and get those 3 pieces of information. Remember, it was the stream URL, the stream key, and then where the stream is going to live. Okay? Hope that helped. See you all soon. Cheers, guys.